prove pork rind wrong.
Maybe we've had enough danger for one day. We don't even know what this delicate package is.
Oh, yes, we do.
ほら、頑張れ頑張れ先輩先輩
A delicate packages.
Ow. If we don't turn back, we're gonna die!
Trust the goggles. They haven't failed us yet.
You lost the goggles! You haven't been wearing them for hours!
No goggles?
This is bad! This is bad! I'm sorry, Muggsy. I should have told you the goggles came off. Now we're gonna die!
Wait a minute. If I wasn't wearing the goggles, that means that I did all that dangerous stuff without them. Don't you see, Cuphead? The goggles were inside me this whole time.